In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to fix Tesla flat tire. So first of all, guide yourself onto the website tesla.com owner's manual and then select the Tesla model that you own. In this case, I'll be just choosing Model X. Then proceed to choose the language that you are comfortable with. In this case, I'll just choose English, and then you'll be redirected onto the page with a bunch of options on the left. Here, you want to go down all the way to maintain it and click on the drop down option here. And then here you'll find two options related to tire maintenance. First is the tire care and maintenance, and I'll open this in a new tab. And the other one is the temporary tire repair kits. First of all, I'll go to the tire care and maintenance, and here you'll find a lot of information about how to maintain and inspect the tires, and also obviously about information about punctured tires. And obviously, the other tab has the information about temporary tire repair kits. Obviously, this is if you own the Tesla tire repair kit from the Tesla shop, and obviously warnings and things that you need to be careful of when you have a punctured tire. Here you'll find all the information related to how to use the kit to be able to replace the tire or fix it. If this information does not help you out, I do have a lot more tips to share with you. So the first tip that I have to share with you is call Tesla roadside assistance. If you don't have a repair kit, the one that I mentioned here, then Tesla offers roadside assistance to replace or tow your vehicle. Here's how to contact them. First of all, open the Tesla app, tab roadside assistance, and then follow the prompts to request help. The other option is if you have a new tire and the necessary tools being a Tesla compatible jack pad adapters, a floor jack, a lug wrench or braking bar, and a replacement tire. The steps to be able to replace the tire start with, first of all, park safely and prepare the car. Park on level ground, activate the parking brake, and place wheel chocks behind the other tires. The next option or the fix is to lift the car. Use Tesla jack pads in the designated lift points underneath the car. Place the floor jack under the pad and lift the car slightly off the ground. The next step is to remove the flat tire. Loosen the lug nuts with the lug wrench and then remove the flat tire. And the next is to align the new tire onto the hub, hand tighten the lug nuts, then fully tighten them in a star pattern. The fifth step is to slowly lower the car and remove the jack and pads, recheck lug nut tightness, and lastly, take the damaged tire to a tire shop for disposal or repair. And that'll be it for this video. I hope it helps you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.